Today I show you how to switching multicam, how to set up multicam and render a scene from iClone 8. I said there is a lot of camera, 5 camera here, this project. I use switch mode for recording. I show you step by step. Okay, just I first show you this working of switch camera, how to change at a time this 5 camera view. Let's see first. This is my project I set up for tutorial. I show you it's working, how to work it. Okay, just I play this button. One camera, automatically change this camera to another. Change second camera. This is second camera view. This is like switching. There is another camera show. Like a switching board, like online editor. Press and change camera one by one. This is long camera. There is another camera. We do camera. Okay, I set a lot of camera here. Is multicam, like this switch mode. One is my gramophone camera. First I set up this camera then I set mid camera, then long, then master, then pen. Where it is settings, first you set your camera first, camera, one by one camera. You use multiple camera on this your scene and create multiple camera and type name all these cameras, specific name for the selection method is easy to if you set up name of camera, but if you know set up camera name, it is not possible to changing your camera switching. Then you go to show timeline, just click here or F3 shortcut key or window and go to timeline. This show, there is show timeline, this is timeline. Timeline have show which object are selected. If you want to show this range of voice level, just select this character and show character names. You click drop down of character and show character motion and character voice and lip sync with me. If you want to see all the timeline as a squeeze and reduce, you just click this button, zoom in button, and click fit to window or control star. Your timeline is shown here. This is timeline. This is motion of character. This track show motion of character. This is audio and face expression there. This is of length my music song voice over. This track is voice. This is your expression, lips expression. So my timeline is 7800. There it show. It is end of the timelines. This composition. How I show you now? I show you how to set multiple camera here. Okay. There is a menu. Let's see, switch or project. Under the project you show this menu is switcher menu. You just click which camera you add first. Which camera? Okay, I use first this pen camera, zoom back camera from the gramophone record. Closer, from close gramophone record, I select here this camera. This is the camera. Show camera GP. Camera GP means gramophone recording. device on scene. First I start my scene from this camera and this object, like if I off the switch mode, I show you this is my first camera. I select here. How to select? Just click switch mode, mouse left right button, you click right button of mouse, this menu, and come a drop down menu here. See a drop down menu. Just click camera list. Then you show a list of camera. Which camera you want to select here? Just click this camera. This check mark of camera, which camera is there. Same process for the next camera. Just click here and go to camera list and select your camera. Then select your camera. Just use planning camera. Which camera you show after your sequence. This is your choice. Okay, I select this camera one by one. Some camera repetition, I repeat this some camera in the list. Then you, after select your camera list one by one, scene by scene, you with your plan, then you have need to change your preview to switcher, switch camera. Then this switcher is working. Then switcher is working here. And now I show you this. First we will see this closer, and I zoom back and go to another camera. I select my switcher. Sorry. Okay. Now I play again for show you the total process, how it works, how works the switching automatically change one by one. Okay, see it.
বুকের পাথরগুলো কিছুতেই সরানো গেল না, বুকের পাথরগুলো কিছুতেই সরানো গেল না।
Music part down, I preview quick mode because it is take time to render. I show its high resolution mode, then please change light and other etc. This is a high quality mode. Lighting, change, shadow and others composition are like a real studio environment I want to create. This is the process. Set multiple camera for a scene, and it is very useful for an animator or for a creator who can use a multiple camera and set a sequence at a time and render quickly. No need to change, no need to render camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and no need to edit again your scene. You can edit simultaneously in the iClone switcher mode, and it is very helpful. You use it and give me your feedback. Thank you.